How does the bogie bear the railcar? A railcar mainly consists of two parts. Part 1, the above chassis. Part 2 is the below bogie. Hey, race 1 bogie. That is another bogie. Let's take a look at the bogie. In the middle of the bogie, there's a center plate. Right here. In the middle area. Let's look for below. Inside here is the center plate. The center plate can rotate. The parts on two sides are side bearings. This iron block is the side bearing. Above the side bearing, there's a gap between it and the vehicle frame. When the vehicle runs on straight, level track, there's clearance on both side bearings. When the vehicle runs on a curve, one side bearing makes contact. It provides support. The other side bearing is suspended. Because the railway curves have the outer rail higher and the inner rail lower. Therefore, one side provides support, while the other side remains suspended. Let's find another vehicle to examine its bogie. Let's take a look at the center plate of this large vehicle. This is a special purpose vehicle. It has 4 bogies, 2 on this side and 2 on the other end. We only need to examine one. Each bogie has one center plate. Hey, race 1 center plate. There's another center plate here. The vehicle's weight is directly applied onto the center plate. We can just focus on this one center plate. Inside here is the center plate. The center plate is round. It contains lubricating oil inside. When a vehicle turns, this bogie can rotate. This center plate can both rotate and bear weight. This is the side bearing. This side bearing differs from the one we saw earlier. This side bearing has a roller here. There's a roller in the middle. When a vehicle runs on a curve, this roller can rotate. When this roller presses against the bogie below, it can rotate. We can see where marks on it. It can rotate. Let's look at another vehicle's bogie. There are 4 bogies here. Let's take a look. This one is clearer to see, cause no chassis above it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bogie, bolster, springs, brake shoes. In the middle is brake beam. Between the axle, brake beam, and bolster, this center component is the center plate. Under normal conditions, the center plate contains oil. It just rained, so we can imagine the water as oil for now. There's a pin in the middle. This is the lower center plate. Under the vehicle frame, there's an upper center plate. The upper center plate is also round. Its diameter is slightly smaller. It also has a hole in the center. After aligning the upper and lower center plates, they're fitted together by the pin. Once seated, when the vehicle runs on curves, it can rotate. Because there's oil inside, this center plate can rotate. On 2 sides of the center plate are side bearings. These are side bearings. These are also side bearings. This is called a side bearing box. Inside the side bearing box, there used to be a small iron block. It's not here now. That small iron block was called the side bearing. The main functions of the center plate are to bear weight, enable steering, and transmit traction and braking forces. That's the role of the center plate.